If you're a fan of heartwarming romantic stories with plenty of drama, twists, and emotions, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing 7 captivating Turkish romantic dramas that will make you laugh, cry, and fall in love all over again. Let's get started. 7. Benim Tatlı Yalan, My Sweet Lie. My Sweet Lie is a heartwarming Turkish drama with an engaging story and lovable characters, making it highly recommended for its family-friendly and entertaining nature. The story follows Nejat, a successful businessman raising his daughter, Kaira, alone after his wife left them. To comfort his daughter, Nejat has been sending her letters from a fictional African storyland. However, as Kaira's 6th birthday approaches, unexpected events at their family's coffee house lead to an encounter with Nejat that changes their lives forever. What happens next? You'll have to watch to find out. 6. Gulru'nun Sava, War of the Roses. Gulru, a young girl from a poor family, dreams of becoming a famous fashion designer like her idol, Gulfem. As fate would have it, she gets a chance to work at Gulfem's fashion house, which is run by 2 friends, Murat and Kemal. However, as Gulru joins the company, both Murat and Kemal start developing feelings for her. This creates a love triangle that tests their friendship. What will happen next? Watch this dramatic series to find out. 5. Rüya, Dream. Dream is a heartwarming Turkish drama that tells the love story of Elif, a girl struggling with financial difficulties, and Bulut, a wealthy businessman. Elif dreams of becoming an artist, but when she meets Bulut, who works in the textile industry, they fall in love. However, their love faces many challenges, especially from Elif's family. Written by Kutlu Yasser, this series tells a simple yet heartfelt tale of love, social differences, and family struggles. Despite the obstacles, the chemistry between the lead actors, Hajal Files and Sihan Mengiroğlu, makes this series truly engaging. Don't miss the unfolding of their emotional journey. 4. Akan Tarifi, Recipe for Love. In Recipe for Love, Fırat, a talented chef, is left heartbroken when his fiancée abandons him on their wedding day. Following the advice of a love expert, Dr. Love, Fırat decides to take revenge on his fiancée, Naz, by winning her over again. Naz, who owns a French restaurant, becomes the center of his mission. However, working at Naz's restaurant presents challenges due to their contrasting personalities. As Fırat tries to blend Turkish and French cuisines, he aims to teach Naz a lesson about love. But his plan takes an unexpected turn as he starts to develop genuine feelings for her. Will Fırat succeed in his plan and win Naz's heart? Watch this amazing series to find out. 3. Seviye Sevmiyor, Love Me or Not. This series revolves around Deniz and Yiğit, who were close childhood friends. Yiğit, who was considered unattractive as a child, moves to America. However, when he grows up, he becomes a handsome and attractive man. On the other hand, Deniz, who was a very beautiful girl in her childhood, turns less attractive as she becomes an adult. One day, Yiğit returns from America and meets his childhood sweetheart again. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. 2. Yabani, Wild Heart. Wild Heart is a captivating Turkish drama that revolves around the story of a strong-willed, passionate young woman named Zeynep. Living in the heart of Istanbul, Zeynep is forced to face the reality of a troubled relationship when she meets a mysterious and intense man named Kenan. Their attraction is undeniable, but their paths become intertwined with both their dark pasts. As they fight their inner demons and family obstacles, Will they be able to overcome the challenges and find happiness together? Watch to see if love can conquer all, despite the wild heart within. 1. Kiralk asks, Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy that follows the story of Difne, a waitress who pretends to be in a relationship with a customer at the restaurant where she works to escape an arranged blind date. However, when Omar's aunt, Neriman, sees them together, she offers Difne a deal: work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and marry him within 6 months. Difne accepts the offer to save her brother, but things become complicated when she starts developing real feelings for Omar. The series blends romance, comedy, and drama as Difne navigates her new, challenging life while keeping her true intentions a secret. Can she keep her heart in check while fulfilling her promise? Watch to find out. If you enjoyed this list of romantic dramas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Which series are you excited to watch? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.